Y bienvenidos a Esdes, la Escuela de Español del campus Adventista de Sagunto. Hoy tenemos un día especial porque hemos hecho un programa sobre cocina española. What's your name?
Catherine.
William.
I'm Hunter.
I'm Katie.
We're going to start with something very typical from Spain. Tortilla de patatas, the Spanish omelette.
Wow, it kind of looks like a piece of cake.
What do you think the tortilla has?
Egg, potato.
And onions.
Chocolate?
No.
No chocolate.
Probably just that.
Wow,
Tastes delicious.
It's good.
that's not what I was expecting.
Me neither.
I was a little nervous at first. It looks different.
Yeah, that's definitely true. I'm not the biggest fan of eggs, so it did not have the most appetizing look to me at first, but it definitely tastes better than it looks.
Yeah, the flavor pulls through. It's good. It doesn't look like a tortilla.
Yeah, that's definitely true.
As far as flavor goes, it was good flavor. Presentation, I don't know. I'm gonna give it 7 out of 10.
I'll go 7.5 out of 10. I liked it.
From 1 to 10.
8.
7.5.
Our second dish, that's a very typical thing of Spain, of the south of Spain. Gazpacho, but really this is salmorejo. Salmorejo, okay? Salmorejo.
It looked kind of like tomato soup, but a creamy tomato soup.
It smells like garlic and
Garlic.
tomato,
Tomato.
onion
Definitely
probably.
tomato.
Okay. What do you think? Do we eat it for breakfast, supper, or lunch?
A snack?
A snack.
Lunch?
We don't do a snack. Vamos a ver.
It has a good tomato flavor to it.
Yeah,
If this was like not crispy, it'd be way better.
10 out of 10. So good,
10 out of 10.
so good.
Okay.
No, I like it. It reminds me of salsa and it tastes really fresh.
Can you repeat the name again?
Salmorejo.
Salmorejo.
Also reminds me of the Italian thing where they put like chopped tomatoes and oil
Oh,
on
yeah.
top of the bread. I don't know what it's called.
Alright, the next one is gonna be one of the most typical dishes of Spain, especially from this area, from Valencia. And it's called paella.
We've tried it once before, and it was at a restaurant, and it was a very interesting paella, and I would not say it was fantastic.
I was expecting some snails in it, but I was sorely disappointed.
It's good. I like it.
So what are the ingredients that you see and that you...
Green beans,
Rice, of course.
large beans.
And now we need a score.
7.
6.
8 out of 10?
I would also agree. I'd say 8 out of 10.
Chicos, muchísimas gracias. Choca los 5. Muy bien. Si te gusta nuestro vídeo, dale al like y suscríbete a nuestro canal. ¡Hasta pronto!